Hey guys, welcome to another episode from Vega Stocks. In this episode, we will analyze today's Bank Nifty performance and we'll try to predict for tomorrow. Before we start, a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose and we do not recommend or provide any tips. So let's start. As you can see the screen, we are trying to go to the bigger time frame to see if there is something to discuss. There is a double bottom formation which we have already discussed in our previous video. If you haven't watched that video, I strongly recommend to watch that video as we have touched upon some psychological points which is important to be a successful trader. So this clearly indicates that Bank Nifty is in bullish trend. In last two trading sessions, it has crossed 2000 points and today there was a gap up opening. A gap up opening of around 400 points. Those who have carried their call position, I am sure they must have booked profit by now. As discussed, Bank Nifty today was volatile and sideways. Till now, it hasn't given any benefit to traders in short position. Remember, Bank Nifty has already given a directional move to option buyers on Monday. And now, big players and option sellers will not allow the market to go or to give directional move. As you can see the screen, Bank Nifty will not travel in straight line. It has to correct and follow the trend line as shown in the screen. If you are an option buyer, you have to wait patiently for the right time to enter into the market. For option sellers, you can continue to hold your position and make profit because I still see the market to be sideways and volatile. Now let's move on to the 15 minutes time frame and see how was the price action movement of today. You can clearly see that the 4-hourly trend line which I have drawn, Bank Nifty price action has already crossed that trend line. So it's a clear cut. Bank Nifty have moved into another channel and has continued at least for one trading session. So you can clearly see on the screen, this is a 15 minutes chart of Bank Nifty. There was a gap opening and then there was a profit booking. After profit booking, you can clearly see that the Bank Nifty has moved into a channel, a narrow channel, and and it has traded in this channel throughout the day. So this channel becomes a very important level for both option buyers as well as option sellers. For option sellers, they can continue to hold the position if the price action moves between these channels, which I am expecting that it will continue till tomorrow. And for option buyers, you have to make sure that the bottom or the top, the today's bottom or today's top, if price action breaks today's top, you can buy call. If price action breaks today's bottom, you can buy put. So you can map your chart as well. The way I have mapped, you can see two white lines. One indicates the top of today's price and the second one indicates the bottom of today's price. This is the channel which I am expecting the market that will continue to move. But if in case the market needs to be a trending one, we might have to wait till expiry. As you can see the screen, market has to move in this direction. Simply it cannot go in a straight line. So definitely this is the right time for option sellers as well as the big players, for hedge fund managers or someone who hedges the position, for them to make profit. As I said earlier, if you are a small trader, you have to wait patiently. Make sure that you enter into the trade only when it crosses the bottom. Here, as you can see, when it crosses 32,730, then only you should make your position or you should buy put. Even I am expecting a correction from the current level and we will see Bank Nifty will cross the bottom of 33,728 and will touch 33,400, which I am expecting is a place where there is a strong support, and from there you can see a reverse. Bank Nifty has formed a doji candle which clearly indicates that the market is indecisive. That means buyers as well as sellers both were ineffective to make a movement to the market. Now try to understand the logic behind this. Already option buyers have made profit on Monday. Now option sellers as well as the big players will definitely try to keep price action movement within these two white lines that I have drawn, so that they can make sure that they can make profit. And breaking of this either from the top or to the bottom will be very difficult unless and until there is a huge inflow of cash. Because today there was a gap opening, I am expecting the market to come down and fill this gap. It will not happen tomorrow, but maybe on Thursday, the expiry day, you might expect the market to come down to 33,459. This is exactly the figure where I am expecting the market to come down. Now, as you can see the screen, this is a 1-day chart of Bank Nifty, and I have already selected that doji candle of today's. Now I am selecting some doji candles which has happened in the past. As you can see the screen, this is the doji candle, and if there is a breakout on the top, you can see the movement. The price action has moved to almost a triple the distance. Similarly, I am selecting one more. Yeah, it is here. If I select this, this is another doji candle in which there is a breakout from the bottom, and after that you can see the price movement. For the next 3 days there was a bearish market. So I hope you are able to understand the concept behind the price action movement. There is a humble request: do like, subscribe and share this channel. Make sure that you also click on the bell icon. Please follow my Instagram account as well. It is in the name of Vega Stocks, where I share all financial informations. Thank you. Have a good day.